So how can you enable the hidden emoticons keyboard on your Android phone? And let's get started. So a lot of people don't realize that there are more ways how you can type in emojis. And essentially on my Samsung device, when I go to the regular keyboard and I'm using, the built-in one, I can switch to the emoji view and obviously I have all of the regular emojis. I can go through categories, but on the top panel, I can scroll through additional options here. So I can find a little like rectangle in a sort of pink red looking color. And when I click on it, it gives me access to all of these like random emojis, which are just basically consisting of typed characters. These are looking very interesting, most definitely not the regular type of emojis that we are used to. But still, it's very like interesting and it's nice to look at. So a lot of people don't know about this, and you can most definitely go ahead and try it out to see if you have it available in your built-in keyboard. You should keep in mind that there are some third-party apps which might work better in terms of keyboard, so you might get the Gboard from Google. I keep mentioning SwiftKey from Microsoft in my videos as well. And I believe that there are some dedicated emoji keyboards as well, which I'm not saying are like good or anything, but you can explore those if you wish. So that's gonna be about it from me. Let me know below in the comments if you knew about this before. Subscribe for more quick guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.